Our list of metal, and here's our first stop. I love finding a barbecue. Let's get this on the truck. Whoa. Drop that gate. Let's go, Grandpa. And you know what, guys? I forgot. I did get like another barbecue. Get excited in the mornings. Don't hate me. Drop this gate down and we'll get it right in. Here we go. All right. I'm going to wedge this one in here. And we'll go on to our next one on the list. Got some bed frame and Christmas decorations. 2 barbecues. All right, some satellite dishes. Let's throw those on the truck, Grandpa. The water, that dishwasher, not so much. It's plastic. They won't take it. Let's go. All right, got a little microwave here and maybe some bed frame stuff. So load this on the truck. All right, we ended up with a bunch of satellite dishes, a dishwasher, a file cabinet from the other day, and some bed frames, and of course the 2 barbecues. I may have repeated myself, but we'll get a little bit more on here today and try to clear this off so we can get a bigger load tomorrow. Well, you know what time it is. Time to get weighed. Then we'll drop it and get paid. Yeah, it looks like we got a little bit of a line here, or as they say, we got us a queue. Man, we just gotta wait in line, that's all. Man, we got a lot of trash today. Man, the wonder and the awe of this recycling waste service company. Holy crap. The mountain of steel is real. Let's get it done, Grandpa. Man, sorry about that. Just another ream. I've told you guys, I see them go a lot. If I get 10 of them go out a week, I bet, water heaters a week, I bet 7 or 8 of them are reams. Sorry, ream. Oh yeah. Man, can't lose store. All right, here we go, baby. Boom, see you later. See ya. This ain't gonna be a super heavy load, but that's okay. Gotta clear it out for tomorrow. So I love this part. 1, 2, 3, go. How did we do today? Let's check. All right, cool beans, man. Nice 940 pounds, still at the same rate, and cool 82 bucks overnight. I had to empty the truck because I hope to get more heavier stuff tomorrow, so I had to keep that truck clear. Thanks for watching, and guys, I appreciate everybody watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. I'm tired.